We've been fighting to make sure that people living with HIV have a voice in the courts, that their rights are protected in the courts. These fights are still there because people in society still have deep discomfort when it comes to LGBTQ people and people living with HIV.
All of a sudden, we get this cease and desist order, which required us to immediately stop handing out syringes. We were seeing hundreds of people during that period who were coming in for syringes, Narcan, testing, everything. Science has known for several decades that a syringe is an easy way to transmit illness. So the clean needle is a major tool in helping prevent the spread of disease. I knew we were not breaking any laws, so we contacted GLAAD.
I wish it were only about education and awareness, but it's really about devaluing people's lives. Clean needles are a foolproof way to prevent HIV and hepatitis C transmission among people who inject drugs. You cannot get those diseases if you're using a clean needle. And yet the town of Barnstable shut down a very successful program that provided clean needles to people who inject drugs.
Cape Cod is experiencing the worst opioid epidemic in the state. We have the highest incidence rate of fatal overdoses. We are not seeing a decrease in overdoses right now. You know, what this did is prevent people who were trying to at least help themselves, that we can help them as much as we can, and they no longer had that.
I'm still a little naive because I thought we would call the town's lawyer and explain to them not only that this is illegal, but that they're putting people's lives at risk, and that would be the end of the matter. Instead, the town fought this every step of the way, all the way to the Massachusetts Supreme Judicial Court. So we said to the judge, people's lives are at stake. You need to reopen this program today. And he did. The Supreme Judicial Court decided that a private organization in Massachusetts can distribute clean needles to anyone, including people who inject drugs, and that there are no limitations.
It wasn't just about the law and just about the needles and just about legal. It became a passionate ruling that we need to take care of these people. These are our family, our friends, our sons, our daughters, and we can't turn our backs on them.